Big boy. Red boy, don't you get my toes. Red girl, and big boy. Spotted red girl with a filthy head. Pixie! Hi, Pixie. Hello, little Pixie. Hello, little Pixie. Hello, Pixie. How are we doing? Brindle boy. Extreme spotted girl, but we're not sure what color she is. Try boy. Naughty, naughty try girl, or Trindle girl. And then the one who keeps telling me she's mine, the Brindle girl. Hi, Pixie. Are we back? Hi, Pix. No, no feet. Aww. No feet. No feet.